Hello kids, welcome to Zwifto. Now we are going to discuss the important laws which we have derived from this monohybrid class. This have to be very careful kids. We have already discussed this monohybrid class. We were taking this homozygous tall and homozygous straw. When we were crossing it, we found everybody was found to be heterozygous tall in F1 generation. Now in F2 generation, what is F2 generation? You have to self-pollinate. Okay, so this F1 generation. So what was the result? We were getting like this, right? So the phenotypic ratio was 3:1, genotypic ratio was 1:2:1. Now what are the laws which have been given from this monohybrid class? The first law is law of dominance. What does this say? Okay, in case of heterozygous condition, so you can see in case of heterozygous condition, which character is going to be expressed? That dominant character, right? So that is this law of dominance is all about. See, in case of heterozygous condition, only one character will be expressed. That is known as the dominant characters. Another one is going to disappear, right? And that is heterozygous condition. So that is what known as law of dominance. The characters are controlled by factors, right? You know very well that gene is known as the basic unit of inheritance, and it is responsible for the transmission of characters from parental to next generation, right? So characters are controlled by factors, and these factors always occurs in pair and in dissimilar pair of factor. That means in heterozygous condition, only one character is expressed, which is known as the dominant trait. Other one is the recessive trait, right kids? Then law of segregation. Law of segregation is very simple kids. Okay, I have already taught you during this cross itself that what does it says. It's very simple. Okay, so among this pair of allele, what is going to happen? Only one allele is going to be getting transferred to the gamete. During gamete formation, these alleles are going to segregate, right? So they are going to segregate in such a way that only one allele, okay, is going to reach that gamete, right kids? It's very important, okay? But it is a random process. Any of them can reach that gamete, right? So it is given equal chance, okay, for every allele, right kids? During gamete formation, only one of the gene segregate or separate from a pair of allele and reaches the gamete. When an organism makes gamete, okay, you can give any definition, okay? I have given two definition for you kids. You can follow any definition, right? So when an organism makes gamete, during gamete formation, each gamete receives just one copy which is selected randomly. This is a random process, right? So if they ask you, okay, this law of segregation, write these two important points, okay? So you can write any of this, okay, and this draw this one also, okay? It's very simple, right? So what is law of dominance? In a dissimilar pair of factor, only one character will be expressed, right? Another one is going to be disappearing, and that is known as the recessive, right? Whichever is expressed, that is known as dominant character, and another one which was disappearing, the F1 generation, is known as the recessive character, which is known as the law of dominance. Then law of segregation is very simple, okay? During gamete formation, what is going to happen? Okay, only one allele is going to reach the gamete, and it is a random process. Any of them can reach the gamete, right? So it equal probability for all the allele, right kids? So we'll meet you there in the next concept where we are going to discuss about this dihybrid class. It's a very simple only. So we'll meet you there in the next video. And if you want this handwritten notes, okay, you can get through our Telegram channel and get it kids. And for your doubts and queries, you can contact me through the WhatsApp group. Okay, so I have given the links of both the groups in the description box. And for personal tuition and for special coaching classes, you can contact me through the email ID which I have given in the description box. Meet you there in the next concept. Until then, bye bye kids.